Discover the breathtaking geography of Jamaica. Imagine a place where golden beaches meet turquoise waters, and every sunrise feels like a masterpiece. Welcome to Jamaica, a land of captivating beauty and endless horizons. This Caribbean island is more than a destination. It's a journey into nature's finest creations. Feel the heartbeat of Jamaica in its lush rainforests, alive with exotic wildlife and vibrant colors. Let the towering blue mountains steal your breath as mist dances across their peaks. Here, every hike is an adventure, and every view a promise of serenity and awe. Picture the cascading wonder of Dunn's River Falls, its waters sparkling under the tropical sun. Drift down serene rivers, winding through untouched landscapes, or dive beneath the waves to witness thriving coral reefs, brimming with marine life. This is Jamaica's natural playground, pure and unspoiled. Jamaica is a place to reconnect with nature and rediscover wonder. From tranquil rivers to inviting beaches, every moment is unforgettable. Let the island's beauty awaken your wanderlust, and your soul will leave imprinted with memories of paradise. Start planning your escape to Jamaica today. Let its breathtaking geography inspire your journey into the extraordinary. Discover, explore, and let nature guide you to the adventure of a lifetime.